Welcome student. Now for the unit test we have uh, the lesson from 1 to we have the lesson up to peer profile. Okay, but after that we have very small period to complete the next part, that is the unit 2. Okay, unit 2. uh, in the unit 2 we have uh, 8 lessons which we have to completed. So let us start the new lesson, because it is very important for us to start the new lessons. Students, you have to do the revision of that, the first unit first, so you can get the answers to write in the examinations. But after that we have very small period to complete these lessons. So now I am going to start these new lessons, that is the Tranti Wanti Gongolop. The Tranti Wanti Gongolop. Just reading, we are going to read the lessons. So, and after that, in the next lessons, we are going to the thoroughly of these lessons. Okay, there is a very funny insect that you do not often spy. So there is a insect which is funny, and we did not find it regularly. And it isn't quite a spider. That funny insect was not a spider, and it isn't quite a fly. And that funny insect uh, is is not quite fly or a home fly. Okay, it is something like a beetle, and a little like a bee, like a bee. So it is something like a bee, that creature. Okay, but nothing like a woolly grub that climbs upon the tree. So here that insect insect which is funny climb on the tree. Its name is a quite a hard one, but you will learn it soon, I hope. So try, try, auntie wanty, try auntie wanty gongolop, try auntie wanty gongolop. It lives on a wood, and a wattle gum has a funny face. Its appetite is hard, and its manner is a disgrace. When first you came upon it, it will give you quite a scare. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. So here we have here here we have rhythmic lines. So okay, when the first you come upon it, will give you quite a scare. But when you look for it again, you find it isn't there. And unless you call it softly, it will stay away and mop. So try try auntie wanty try auntie wanty gongolop. It trembles if you tickles it. and tread upon its toes. It is not an early riser, but it has a nose. Snobbish nose. If you sneer uh, at it or scold it, it will scuttle off in shame, but it purrs quite proudly if you call it by its name. That name is very hard. That is Trantiwanti Gongolop, and offer it some sandwiches of sealing wax and soap. So try, Anti Gongolop. Okay, but of course you haven't seen it. I truthfully confess that I haven't seen it either, and I don't know its address. So it is a fly, one type of a fly which we cannot find, which so here we have a name which is very hard to speak and having great spellings, that is a Trianti Wanti Gangolop. So we have to read this, but now this last point is that is but of course you haven't seen it, and I truthfully confess that I haven't seen it either, and I don't know its address, for there isn't such an insect, though really there really though there isn't such an insect, though there really might have been if the trees and grass were purple. The purple means after a long time after rainy season, the grasses uh, gets a sunburn. Okay, and the sky was a battle green. It's just a joke of mine, which you will forgive, I hope. Oh, try, Antimonti Gongolop. See, the writer or poet name is C.J. Dennis. This is very funny poem. Okay, try Antimonti Gongolop. The name itself tell us a very uh, there is a very funny creature. Okay, the Trantiwanti Gongolop. The name itself say, represent that the funniness of that fly. Okay, so we will stop here. And we also revise the previous lesson with their grammatical informations. Here we have reports of different kinds of reports. We also seen the different kinds of reports. This is the self report which we can say as a profile. Okay, the students created their profile with the help of teachers. So you have to read these profiles which you write down of yourself. There may be questions on maybe. Okay, uh, the language study, you have to learn about the grammar, which I taught. So Major Dhyanchand. Nowadays there is a news about the Major Dhyanchand that the Khel Ratna Puraskar will will be on the name of Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Puraskar. Okay. Before that, it was on the name of Rajiv Gandhi, who does not have any relations with the games. But nowadays, we created this Khel Ratna Puraskar, which is given the name of Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Puraskar. So there is he Major Dhyanchand gets truly his capabilities, which introduced through these Puraskar. Okay, so Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Puraskar. Then we saw the different notices which are issued by an institute or school on the different days. There is an announcement or a notice board. On the notice board in the written form, that is so we have to write down the different notices on the notice board. So there we come to knowledge about the different things which we have to do. We have to follow the announcement. Okay. We also saw the grammar in the Marukla lesson about the nouns. Here is the questions. Okay, to find out the nouns. In the grammar also we have this type of questions of finding the nouns and finding the kinds of nouns. We have to change the sentence into the different types. Okay, these are the questions which will come into the question paper. Here is a Marukla. Okay, you have to thoroughly read, just not trust on your guide, but you have to read the lessons, so you will get the better understanding about the questions in the question paper. Okay. The 12 months, and this is the fourth, strawberries. And this type of waves you have to make. Here we have to understand about the name, making a web of a different thing, that is the school. Here we have to understand the different elements of the school, and that we have to write down on the different branches of the school. That is the bag, notebook, pencils are related with the student. Friend, games and plays are also related with the student. Timetable, railway, train, which is related with the school. Teacher, maths example sets, math sets belongs to the teacher. The bell, clock, recess are belongs to the school. So such type of web you have to understand or make the some webs, so you will understand the different concept which is related with the student. Okay, so here we have to copy uh, and having the meaning, create the meaning of these words which you have to read. Gopal Band. So students, we will stop here.